Our vacation is coming to an end, so it's time to start packing. And I love my Shack packs. So look how easy it is. And it has zippers on either side. And what's nice about it is when you pack your clothes and unpack your clothes, you're able to see what everything is from these little mesh windows. And another nice feature, it also has a handle here too. And because they're geometrically designed, everything fits so nicely into my luggage. So easy to do. Now, if you want, you can do half and half like this, or you can just do it all the way around. But they all have the handle, and you get 4 of these. So this is the larger one. This is the medium one. Here's a little bit smaller one, and this is the smallest one. I'm still packing. But they also give you a garment bag as well. Perfect to put your unmentionables in. So definitely recommend it. Thank you, Shack Pack, for sending me these. I absolutely love it, and they come in handy for all our vacations. We like to go a few times a year, so this is so ideal. Thank you, everybody, for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.